going to review Kirkland's Pumpkin Pie, 4 pounds of pumpkin pie. And you can get this at Costco for $5.99. Now, last year we did a Thanksgiving playlist. You can click right here and you can watch it. Okay, well, we're gonna review it. We are going to invite some kids. It's a Friday night.
You want me to cut it for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Comes like that.
You can also get this whipped cream at Costco, pack of 3.
Pack of 3.
Do you guys all like whipped cream?
Yeah,
Yes.
love.
Okay.
So this is a bunch of neighborhood kids coming over here to help us do some chef dogging. Who here likes pumpkin pie anyways?
Lots.
Y'all like it? Okay, so they're
do.
gonna give a fair
Y'all we do.
criticism of their opinion on this. Now you gotta be honest.
Okay.
If you like it or don't, we don't care here. It's always about honesty at Chef Dawg.
Okay. Wow.
Wow! is it really that wowski?
It's like pumpkin pie.
It
Does
tastes
it
like
taste just like
pumpkin
pumpkin pie? Hey, you gotta tell him. He's gagging on some. Okay, apparently you're supposed to chew it first before you swallow it.
Okay, I'm gonna say pumpkin pie is pumpkin pie, I think.
Tastes like
Oh,
But
really?
yeah, I don't think I've ever had
Pumpkin pie.
like grandma making a real, but I mean for $5.99 for this big of pumpkin pie, I mean, I think it's awesome.
Don't be shy, just thousands of people will see it.
That helps.
Would you compared to other pie, what do you think?
I think it's good.
You
I
like
how
it?
big it is. I mean,
Do you like it
Yeah.
more than you thought you would or not as much?
I thought it was about the same. Like,
Figured it was about what you figured?
yeah.
Right, pumpkin pie is pumpkin pie,
Yeah,
right?
pumpkin pie is pumpkin pie.
Yeah.
Especially with the whipped cream.
David, what do you think?
It's good. I've had it before, so you know I like it. I like a lot of whipped cream too, so yeah.
What do each of you guys rate it then?
Solid 9.5.
Oh wow.
I love pie, man.
That's legit.
8.5 or 9.
Ooh.
Yeah, I would do a 9, just because that's the only pie I eat on Thanksgiving.
Probably like a 9.
Wow.
Probably like an 8.
Wow.
That means it's pretty good.
A 10 for the size. All right, well, thanks for watching Chef Dawg, and remember to like, subscribe, share, and hope you have a wonderful holiday season. Bye. Well, I think pumpkin pie is pumpkin pie, but for this big of a pumpkin pie,
Okay, wait.